It's amazing.
Good luck. Good luck. Good luck.
At this time, I want to say I will not be the fastest thing running. I'm definitely gonna get caught.
Come on in, pat it.
I don't need to pet it. I can see it. That's cool. I can see it from here.
Isn't she amazing? So these little ones, they have to be really tough and strong because anything would try to eat these in the wild. So they have to be really good at fending for themselves. And those legs, that's where they get all the power. They can easily kill a lion with those legs. They're that powerful. Well, once they reach full size, yeah. Aren't they just amazing? They're remarkable creatures. They really are.
Yeah.